So let's say the problem 1. Reduce the network using source transformation across the terminals AB. So here we have a current voltage source with 10 volts in series with 2 current source parallel with 2 ohm. So now I have to reduce this circuit to either single voltage source or single current source. So the easier way in this case is, or since all voltage source and current source are in parallel, the easier way is to reduce this voltage source to current source. So step 1, reduce voltage source to current source. So I have a resistance in series, I have 10 volts. This I have to convert it into current source. Now this 2, when I convert it into current source, this 2 ohm will be here. So this I, so I already know that I is equal to V by R. So 10 by 2 is 5 amps. So after the first step, the output is like this. Now you see the circuit has only current source which are in parallel. So this, since two current sources are in parallel, we can easily add them. So see the directions. So 5 amps is pointing up, 3 amps is also pointing up. So we can add this. So 5 plus 3, 8 amp. Now two resistors, 2 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel. So 2 into 2, 5, 2 plus 2. So we use the formula 1 by R equivalent is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So this, since I have only two resistance, so this is R2, R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2, R equivalent. So R equivalent here in this case is 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, so this will be 1 ohm. So this is the equivalent, this is the circuit reduced network with single voltage, single current source. So further in this question, if they ask voltage source, convert this to voltage source, otherwise this is the simplest network that is possible. So keep this as the answer. This is the answer.